Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where my sauce is so good you'll want to marry it. But don't. That's just weird. Today we're going to make authentic enchilada sauce. To a heavy non-stick skillet over medium heat, we're going to toast 3 ounces Guajillo chili peppers. Now don't add any oil. We're just going to lightly toast for 2 minutes on each side. After they toasted on each side for about 2 minutes, we're going to remove them. Set on the side. Now we're going to toast 3 ounces of ancho chili peppers. Same thing, 2 minutes on each side. And after they toasted for 2 minutes on each side, we're going to remove those and set them aside. This is completely optional, depending on how hot you want it. But we're going to add 3 chili arbos. Or you can add more if you want more heat, or leave them out if you don't want any heat. And we're going to toast those for 2 minutes on each side as well. And after those are toasted, we're going to remove those from the heat. And set them aside. Now to the pan, we're going to add 1 onion cut in half, 2 tomatoes cut in half, and 3 cloves of garlic. Now we're going to cook this until they're lightly brown. Now those have started to turn lightly brown. We're going to cut off the heat. We're going to set them aside. We're going to finish off our peppers. Now we're going to take our peppers. We're going to remove the stems. I guess it's easier said than done. We're going to take a knife and cut a slit down the center. They're going to remove the seeds and the membrane. After removing the seeds and membranes, we're going to put the peppers in a container and we're going to pour over 4 cups of boiling chicken broth. Now we're going to cover it and let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, peppers should be nice and soft. We're going to add the peppers to the blender. along with our onion. Our 2 tomatoes. And our 3 cloves of garlic. Along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to top it off with the broth that the peppers were soaking in. Then we're going to blend until smooth. Now it's blended up. We're going to set it aside and we're going to get started on the next step. In a pan over medium heat, we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil's heated up, we're going to add our sauce. I had to blend mine up in 2 batches to get it nice and smooth, and we're going to simmer this for 30 minutes. If you want it a little thinner, you can add some water. But after 30 minutes of simmering, it should be as thick as heavy cream. And once it reaches your desired thickness, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to take 1 We're going to take an Enchilada chocolate bar. I'm going to take 1/4 of it and add it to our sauce. We're going to mix that in until it dissolves. And now that it's done, it's time to make enchiladas. You can use it right away. You can leave it in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or freeze it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.